Your dog growled at your best friend the moment they walked through the door. You laughed it off. 3 months later, that same person betrayed you in the worst way possible. Coincidence? Science suggests maybe not. Your dog might have sensed something you didn't. By the end of this video, you may start trusting your dog's instincts a lot more. Dogs are not just pets. They are incredibly aware of the world around them. They notice things we miss. They read emotions, behavior, and even smell tiny changes in the body. Over thousands of years, they've developed abilities that can seem almost unbelievable. Let's break it down, starting with number 8. Ability number 8. Dogs can tell when someone is unkind. Scientists once tested whether dogs judge people based on behavior. In an experiment, a dog's owner struggled to open a container while another person stood nearby. In one case, the person helped. In another, they did nothing. In a third, they refused to help at all. Afterward, each person offered the dog a treat. The result? Dogs preferred taking food from the helpful person. Most were okay with the neutral one, but many dogs refused treats from the person who refused to help. The dog had never met them before, but just by watching how they treated its owner, the dog made a decision. Dogs don't just care how someone treats them, they also care how that person treats you. Ability number 7. Dogs can tell when you lie. In another study, dogs were shown 2 containers. One had food, one didn't. A person pointed to the correct one, and the dog found the treat. Then the person pointed to the empty one. The dog trusted them again, but found nothing. On the third try, the person pointed correctly again. But many dogs didn't follow. They had already decided the person wasn't reliable. Even one moment of dishonesty was enough to lose the dog's trust. Ability number 6. Dogs never forget your scent. A dog's sense of smell is incredibly powerful, far stronger than a human's. But it's not just about detecting smells. Dogs connect scents with memories and emotions. When a dog smells someone they love, the part of their brain linked to happiness becomes active. It's similar to how humans feel when they smell something that reminds them of someone special. If you've been away for a long time, your dog isn't just happy to see you, they're reliving memories connected to your scent. And if someone they love disappears for good, dogs can feel that loss. They don't just forget. They remember through smell. Ability number 5. Dogs can understand facial expressions. Scientists tested whether dogs can recognize human emotions just by looking at faces. Dogs were shown pictures of happy and angry faces, sometimes only seeing half the face. Even with new faces they had never seen before, dogs could still tell the difference. What's more interesting is that before any training, dogs already avoided angry faces. No one taught them this. They naturally understood that anger could mean danger. Dogs have spent thousands of years learning how to read human emotions. Ability number 4. Dogs can sense how you feel even if you hide it. You might smile and act normal, but your body still reacts to stress or discomfort. Your body releases tiny chemical signals when you feel nervous or uneasy. Humans can't detect them, but dogs can. Their sense of smell is so strong that they can pick up changes in your body instantly. So if you feel uncomfortable around someone, even if you don't fully realize it, your dog may already know. Sometimes dogs react to people before anything bad happens. They may be sensing emotions or intentions that aren't visible yet. Dogs don't just listen to your words, they read your body. Ability number 3. Dogs can detect illness. This might sound surprising, but it's real science. Dogs can smell tiny chemical changes in the body caused by diseases like cancer. In studies, trained dogs were able to correctly identify cancer samples with high accuracy. They can also help people with diabetes by detecting when blood sugar drops to dangerous levels. Some dogs even warn their owners before seizures happen. Their noses can detect changes that machines sometimes can't. Ability number 2. Dogs are experts at reading body language. Dogs pay close attention to small movements. They can tell the difference between relaxed and tense behavior instantly. If someone walks into your home with stiff posture, nervous movements, or unusual behavior, your dog notices everything. Even when a person says they're friendly, their body might tell a different story, and your dog trusts that more than words. Dogs combine what they see, hear, and smell to understand people. Ability number 1. Dogs are deeply connected to human emotions. Dogs have lived alongside humans for thousands of years. Over time, they've become extremely good at understanding us. They respond to our tone of voice, our expressions, and our feelings. If you're sad, your dog may come close to comfort you. If you're anxious, they may stay near you. They don't just notice emotions, they react to them. Dogs aren't just companions, they're partners who understand us in ways we often don't fully realize. So, the next time your dog reacts strongly to someone, don't ignore it. They might be noticing something you haven't yet, and sometimes they might be right.